Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create in different cursor utilize. Today we will discuss about different cursor selection, node cursor, beam cursor, geometry cursor. So different types of cursor selection like when the time you selection node cursor, so only for node selection. When the time selected beam cursor, so this time only for selection beam cursor. So it is different selection according to our diagrams and beam structure. So let's start new project. Here enter the new project and go to space and apply the millimeter and kilogram and next, yes and OK. Here the add beam selection, so add beam. Now this is our background, and when we are create a one diagram here, so let's start the diagram. First of all, create this point and start this point and join this point. Same thing, start here and join this point. When you again, if you join the point here, and also join the point here and look, so it is create the one diagram. And I want to go to check the dimension. So when you display the dimension here and check this dimension, this is 914.4 mm. This is same distance here. And now when you select this, if you not want to distance, so remove the distance and OK. Yes, go to pattern here, repeated pattern, apply the number of step, here the number of step, and y-axis. If you every number of distance we will provide particular equal distance, it's provide and apply the link here and OK. Then after I will go to select here and OK. So it is very near to create because the dimension is very highly increases of dimension. So when again I will go to control back, when I have joined the node here, this point to this point, if you joined this node to this node and another join to this node to this node, OK. Now like again use to pattern here step 4, and we will provide the distance between here 9 to 1900. Same distance I will provide 1900, and again here the provide 1900. So between 3 step and apply the link step and again we will go to select all body here. So when you click all body selected, here the all body selected, then look at this, here apply the link step and OK. So this is here the y-axis, and again I will go to z-axis. So right now again use for pattern here. This is called x-axis and again use to y-axis. So step is 4, step is 3, and distance again I will provide 1900, and next again provide 1900, same here the provide 1900. Then apply the link step and select all body here. Select all body, and here the step selection is OK. And now look at this like isometric view. Then again I will go pattern here and just again selection z-axis and step 4, same distance we will 22,000 and again 2000 and use again 2000. If you want to change the 21,000, so if you provide the 2100, and most important is apply the link step, and then after I will go to select all component here. So when you click this portion and OK. If you front plane and OK. This is called selection, then go to OK here, OK. So if you look at this isometric view, here our structure, right, like this type of structure is create the pattern view and node cursor. So when now how I am using the cursor here, this is selection, right. If you select the node cursor, so only selected the node, not the select beam here. If you click this all body, so this place is only, look at this, only for selected the node, not selected link and member. So I think you understand for this all diagram is selected node cursor. So like node selection, if you select the beam cursor, okay, so this time is not the select all total selection. Look at this, only for selected the beam here. You can see this here. If you select the beam, also only for the beam selection, not the node selection. Okay, so this is called here beam selection, because I chose the beam selected. Same thing is different here, plate cursor, surface cursor, solid cursor. If you want geometry selection, so all geometry has been selected. Look at this. This is selected of geometry cursor. So when you click this all components, so one time to selected all bodies. And if you here the again selected is different matter, here cursor selection, so different option here selected for every our structure. Look at this X and Y direction and here, so it's very easy to select it for anything. So if you select this all component is geometry, this is very important. So today session has been completed. Today I will discuss a cursor, node cursor, beam cursor and different types of cursor. So has been complete the session, and thank you.